Toyota's Entune infotainment system in models from 2012 to 2021 may require resets to fix glitches. There are two primary types: soft reboot and factory reset. A soft reboot is like restarting your computer. It temporarily powers down the system to clear minor issues like a frozen screen. To perform this, hold the power button or volume knob for 5 to 10 seconds until the screen goes black. A factory reset erases all personal data, including settings, paired devices, and saved locations, restoring the system to original state. Access via settings, then system, then factory reset. Be cautious as you'll need to repair devices afterward. Choose the appropriate reset based on severity, starting with soft reboot for simple freezes. If your Entune touchscreen is unresponsive or experiencing ghost touches, start with touchscreen calibration. Navigate to Settings, Display, Touchscreen Calibration, and follow the on-screen prompts. If calibration doesn't work, consider a forced reset. This is for situations where the screen is completely frozen. This simulates a full power cycle and can resolve deeper calibration problems. As a last resort, consider that hardware failure is possible, especially in older vehicles. While software updates are rare for legacy Entune systems, ensure your system is up to date if possible. Remember, these resets are often temporary fixes, and hardware replacement might eventually be necessary.